Hello everyone, this is day 20 of my journey to improve my communication skills. So, today I realized something very important from the past 3 years when I did when I came to Bangalore. I have multiple goals in my mind. Like I will go to the defense forces, I might will go to the government sector, and I will get placement. I have three goals in my mind, due to which I am not able to focus anyways. Now I am suffering a lot. But yeah, now I realize that to become successful in your life, you must have one goal at a moment in your life. If you achieve that goal, then go for the another goal. That is the only way to achieve the multiple goals in life if you want. Now, if you want to succeed in your life on particular goal, then you have to work on that goal only to achieve our multiple goals. And that my brother already told me because he said to me that अगर तुम्हें लंबा सफर तय करना है तो तुम दो किश्तियों पे नहीं जा सकते हो और अगर सफर छोटा है तो तुम किश्ती पे सवार होकर आराम से सफर को पूरा कर सकते हो और अगर सफर बहुत लंबा है तुम्हें एक ही किश्ती में जाना है नहीं तो डूबने के लिए डूब जाना है so yeah, this is a realization stated today and today I had a placement test for IBM and I was not able to solve the problem because my concept was not that much clear until now we work on that so that for the next company I will perform better. So tomorrow I have a presentation on a major project and I fully prepare for that. So what is a project is basically ForgeWeb, which is AI powered full stack application generator. And how our project is working on, I am going to explain now. So first of all, we will take input from the user and under the AI model will give us the front end, back end, a database, and the security required for the that applications, and it will create full stack application for the user. So this is basically the main idea of our project, how the methodology, how the workflow of the project is working. I will explain now. So basically, first initially the user will give the input, and that input we will we will apply the NPL techniques, natural processing languages techniques, which is basically tokenization, feature extraction. Tokenization basically it will convert the prompt into small tokens for the structured data and also the feature extractions. For example, if I am going to build a website for the gym management system, so I will give prompt build a full stack application for gym management systems. So what are the meaningless words here, which is build an application. So N is an useless word. So it will remove this. For is also useless words. It will also remove this. It will extract the meaningful words. That is a feature extraction. And then after extracting the features, after applying the NLP techniques, then we will go for the large language model transformer, which is basically used, which the structured data which we are getting from NLP will generate the front end, back end, and the APIs with the help of the large language models, and then with the help of uh, database agent, we will define and we will create the database schemas which includes the tables and the user data. And after that, we will implement the security features with the help of the uh, JSON web tokens, which is basically used for the authorizations and authentications. How it works in JSON web token. So initially it consists of the three parts: header, uh, our main content of data, and the signatures. It will convert this code into some pattern so that nobody can breach in between. If we're trying to access, if we're trying to third, if we're trying to send the message to the server. So this is the basic function of the JSON web token. Another feature which we are adding is rate limiting. So what is rate limiting is if an external person, which is not an authorized person, trying to breach the data with the help of some brute force technique, um, we can restrict him from breaching data with the help of the rate limiting. When we give a rate limit, for example, if a natural person trying to access the data send the unlimited API request, and we will set the API certain API limit. After the limit exceeds that threshold, uh, it will automatically delete the users for a certain period of the time, so that the server down so that the server will not go down and our data will be safe. And another feature is role-based access controls. On that, we will divide the work on the business server. We will divide the work for admin, editor, for viewer, as per the requirements. So yeah, after this, there is a code refiner agents which will refine the code as a whole single group and give us the full stack applications. That is the final project. So yeah, what is my role in this project? My role is to build an AI integration model along with model training. So yeah, now I'm going to explain my work. So first part, we will take an input from the user and then AI model. Maybe I will use a program or the most precise one is the GPT. It will convert that user prompt into the structured data, and then structured data we will generate the code formations, and then we will set for the another agent for the front-end back-end development. So yeah, this is my main part in this project. So and today's screen time on my phone. So I used my phone for 6 hours, 41 minutes. Mainly I used for the 3 hours on the Brave browser, which I access the YouTube videos. Then WhatsApp for 1 hour, 11 minutes for when some blog related to college. Then Google, then YouTube music. That's all. One more thing I realized is I am not able to use my time properly due to many factors because I have to go to college. I think most of the times it's based outside only. And when I came back, the whole night I didn't sleep. So when I came back to a hostel room, I slept instantly. From today onwards, what I'm gonna do is I will not come to the hostel back whenever I have to go outside. Or I will uh, go regularly to outside library library for study purpose. From morning till evening, I will remain outside only. I won't come back to the hostel so that I will not sleep more. I will sleep only as much as my requirement. As per the plan, I went to the gym. Today I did back and shoulder workout. Not that much level, but yeah, so uh, I did only that much so that I will remain fit and healthy. I don't want to become that bodybuilder, right? Just for fitness. I was going to gym so that I didn't, so that my body didn't get more payload. My main focus is to study, so I was doing that. And yeah, whenever I go to outside, uh, walking or sitting in a class, I will spend most of the time on the reasoning type questions so that I will use my time more effectively because I was way was very behind than the other persons. So to overcome that distance that I have around to overcome that, I have to work a lot so that I want to. So I have to use each and every moment of my life for that I will work in every moment. Whenever I get a chance, I will study something. Eating, while going outside, while walking. Every time I will study something, I will process my mind. I will wide my mind in such a way so that I will use that properly. Because when I see outside people are learning the past 2 years continuously, and still they are going at the same pace. And to achieve and to overtake or to go with that same to reach these people, I need to work a lot and I will do from today onwards. I don't waste my time. I don't watch any movies, don't watch any kind of shorts, I don't watch any irrelevant things that doesn't help me to achieve the goal. So yeah, this is day 20 of my journey to improve my communication skill. And I am still improving, still focusing. I am becoming more confident, I think. And today, in today's presentation, I will speak. I don't let my mouth be shut. Whenever I will get chance, I will speak. I will share my knowledge. Because if you have a knowledge, language does not matter. The words will come automatically because you know the process. You know that if you learn something, then you will automatically speak on that. So yeah, this is still 20. Thank you for watching. Uh, Stay happy, stay healthy, and be consistent. That is the main goal in life.